Good morning, Sharon. Well, Dr. Stacey Sam says everyone should feel good about their appearance. She says as a woman who's been on both sides of the table, she encourages women to get plastic surgery, but she emphasizes the importance of having good aftercare treatment post-surgery. So to help with this issue, she opened her own business. Take a look.
Business is booming. The plastic surgery business is booming.
When most people think of cosmetic or plastic surgery, the first place that comes to mind is Miami or somewhere overseas. But in recent months, more women are traveling to Houston for a life-changing experience.
Patients know that when they come to Houston, they're going to be, worked on by world-renowned surgeons, the best of the best. And now they'll be able to get the best aftercare as well.
Dr. Stacey Sam, a registered nurse of 18 years, is advocating for 24-hour care after undergoing plastic surgery. She says along with doing your own research on board-certified surgeons, looking at their previous results, and going to more than one consultation, people should also consider their recovery care process.
Plastic surgery is still surgery. So, it's still a serious medical procedure that should not be approached lightly.
Dr. Sam's goal is to make aftercare the new normal. At the start of 2022, she opened a recovery house where people can spend days getting the proper medical attention needed post-operation. The luxury VIP recovery house has certified nurses to monitor your progress, help increase your mobility, and ensure you have everything you need to heal properly.
I think people are super excited about the results, that they're not thinking about the toll that surgery takes on your body and how do I maintain these results and how do I, stay healthy and recover well.
Tasha Williams, a mother of 4 girls, traveled to Houston from Florida for surgery on her boobs. Williams believes every woman should feel confident about their body, and in order to achieve that, it starts with proper treatment after surgery.
When I say I'm such an advocate for surgery and I listen to women and I'm like, they're like, I wish I would have stayed 4 more days. I wish I would have stayed an extra week. Because that care is so needed. It's not something that you can just, I'm gonna go home and my friend is a nurse, so I'm gonna have my friend. No.
Dr. Sam says health and safety is key. That's why VIP Recovery is committed to helping women achieve a better outcome.
As a patient and then as a provider and caregiver. So when a patient tells me they're hurting, I know they're hurting, and I know what that pain felt like for me. So I think that as a team, our approach to the patient's comfort levels and the patient's needs are different.
Dr. Sam says if you're considering surgery of any kind, there's a series of questions you should ask yourself. 1, am I healthy? And 2, does this doctor or surgeon have the experience working on my body type? Now, that's just a couple questions, but there's a list of them, and we'll have this information on our website later on this morning. Reporting live, Sydney Simone, CW39, Houston.